Well, now let's give you an understanding of the COVID situation with the perspective of testing. And what we have here is that while the number of cases in the national capital has been significantly low, questions are being raised on whether testing is enough. So there is now a serious agenda to ramp up testing amidst the debate on the lack of testing facilities and if India is testing enough. Centre and the ICMR have sent out a strong directive to all the states to amplify the testing procedure in terms of the number of tests that is taking place. So like I said, with keeping Delhi in mind, the number of cases in the national capital has been significantly low, at least in the last 2 weeks. But this must be again looked at through the perspective of testing. As per Health Ministry data, Delhi has been doing more of rapid antigen tests than the RT-PCR tests that are considered the gold standard for COVID. Well, so that's the picture what we are getting right now in terms of the figures that we have. Antigen tests in Delhi, what we know is that 281,555 rapid antigen tests were conducted. 19,480 have tested positive. But as a compulsory procedure, those who test negative are supposed to take the RT-PCR test. So 1,365 people with negative reports took the RT-PCR test. Out of that, 243 tested positive, which just goes to show that the antigen test cannot be the final word. Those who test negative need to do a follow-up RT-PCR test as well. Well, Ayushman is joining me now with more inputs on this story. Ayushman, if you can hear me, I just wanted to get a quick perspective from you on the issue that we are discussing right now. I'm not able to hear Ayushman. Let's move on with the information that we have right now coming in from Mumbai, and especially from the Mumbai metropolitan region. Remember, again, a major area of concern when it comes to contact tracing and testing, as the number of COVID cases are spiking in the MMR area. Lack of testing labs in the region are making the situation even more difficult to manage. Out of the 11 municipal corporations around Mumbai, only 3 corporations actually have their own testing facility available. The rest are dependent on other municipalities. Even big corporations such as Navi Mumbai, Mira Bhayandar, Kalyan Dombivli and Vasai Virar do not have their own testing labs. The testing in these areas are largely being done through antigen tests, which, like we just mentioned, cannot be conclusive, especially when the results are negative. There needs to be follow-up, and for that, the labs are an absolute necessity, which is not there in the numbers that is required in the MMR region.